Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing collect for UGC. First go to search and then spell collect for UGC. There it is. And then you have to pick the first one and play. And then okay, so I already played this game a lot. Like, I don't remember how much I got collect the hearts. Well, let me see. Oh yeah, I got 1K. Yeah, I'm in the lead. So let me show you the wigs. Oh, there's a new one. No. Oh man, it's sold out. So guys, I had to get these. Wait, what the? Man, I think I get to have this hair and this hair. Okay, let's start. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard. Cause last time when I went in here, I found a big heart. Literally, a biggest heart ever. Well, after this, when you want the UGC and you get much hearts, you can buy it. Okay, collect as much UGC as you want. Then, yeah, I'm not doing this again. We're gonna go to catalog avatar. My avatar is a white witch. Well, I barely have any sound. Well, fine, I'll just have sound. That's maybe a little too much. Okay. Okay, that was... Okay, so we're gonna be creating whatever avatar we want. Like, I already created... Like, how much did I already create? 270! That's way, man, too much. Let me show you what I actually used. So I used a white moon witch hat, angelic dress top, white wispy layered fairy, Heim bangs, white low kawaii kitty glasses, pink bow, angel wing necklace 3.0, silver butterfly necklace, white wings, ruffle puffy long arm sleeves white, and sparkles head dynamic head. That's all I used. Yeah, that's all I used up. What is that? Is that Nemo? Why is it too big? Why is it... For a second. Okay, I was just telling... Whatever. I was just telling someone not to be quiet. Okay, so I'm on my computer still, and I can reach her. Ew. Gross. Okay, let's try to find... No, thank you. Okay, if you want, let me see what I've got here. Okay, so if you want one of my answers, comment comment light blue for this, or comment light pink for this, or maybe comment purple for this, also purple for this, and I don't know, like hue for this. I actually made this avatar and it's so cute. Let me show you how it walks, I guess. I already forgot how it walks, actually. Oh my god, it's so cute. I actually made it myself. Yeah, made it. Cute friends. What is going on? Kitty, kitty, kitty. No, 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 no. No. Get back here. I want you. I need you. Close enough. Man. How dare you? Okay, next one. Okay, maybe we should like play an escape game. Because I can't play. Okay. Okay. Cheese. I played this before when I got banned. Also from that. Mom got banned. What do you mean this? Check. Wait, why can't I escape cheese? Okay. Cheese escape too. Okay, let's try this. Is it like click trap? Wait. Oh! Cheese. What are you doing here? Oh my god, you freaking scared me. What is this? Yeah, I know it's cheese. Oh no, we're stuck. Hey, what about? Where are we stuck? Cheese. Oh, it's the button. Oh, shut up. Wow, more people? Wow. I guess, okay, I'm not alone. But still, guys, it's really creepy. It calls a horror one. It's kind of different from the other. Why is there a hole in there? Guys, if you play this game where I'm playing, don't go there. It's only, I don't know, me and Meryl 66128. Yeah. It's me and Meryl. Oh my god. I guess. Wait. They got caught? Maybe they left the game because it wasn't funny. Bro, no, I'm stuck. I got lost. Okay, I need to leave. Just a bad game. I already got like over 200 frames. Yeah. Okay, let me show you my avatar. It's kind of bad. No. Oh. What just happened? Oh my god. What just happened? I can't change my avatar. Please. Okay, it's not gonna find it. No. Okay, don't look at my background. It's so bad. No, no, no. I'm not allowing this. I'm restarting Roblox. Okay, done. I restarted Roblox. This is so bad anyways. Okay. I literally got it. Yeah, I restarted it. Finally! These are my creations. Like last time, yeah, I did those. Okay, let me. I'm gonna choose the hair. Oh, I got the fairy hair, but it's so disgustingly bad. I might just use those because kind of look like. Yeah. This flower duck is preppy. What? I didn't click on that. Okay. Okay, that was the cat. That was my cat. Maybe you. I'm gonna get thick legs. Okay, guys, let me just show you what actually my avatar would look like if I would put this here, the arms here, but not the body as well. Look at this. Look. What is this? Oh my god, this is so bad. No, look at this. Look at these thick legs. I meant chibi girl legs. Chibi, yeah. Now the torso. It's gonna turn out so good. Look at this. Face. Oh yeah, okay. Good. Man. Okay, let me just go back to Brookhaven. I never played in a long time. Let's see if anything changed. Yeah, I know there are pets there. But yeah, whatever. I don't remember what kind of characters I did or what kind of characters I have right now. Just trying to act like cool, but I'm actually cool. Well, yeah, I was playing with my friends. Yeah, now I remember. Kids, cute. Oh. Yeah, this is my favorite one. You know why? 'Cause it's so cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna do. No. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I had to stop my cat. I guess I can do this. Yeah. The ninja jump. Oh. Okay, I guess it's good. Yeah? Are you climbing up that thing again? Oh, there you are. She's scared of me. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Oh my. Sorry. Wait, sorry, I moved the camera a little bit. Is it the camera or is it my phone? Oh, yeah, sorry, I moved my camera. Sorry. Yeah, sometimes. I need to hold something. Like, I don't know what, flowers. Maybe I can. Let's go. Someone's house. I look so good in this. Okay. Nope. Jeez. What are you doing here? Oh, please. Sorry. Is that her? No. Is that her? Wait. Oh no, the police! No, the police is stuck. Whatever. This her! Why did she trap a cop in there? Not my fault. Okay, I just left the game because I want to do something else. Definitely not. Okay, let's play this game. Excuse me. I'm like a little tired. I'm not nuking her. Wait. What is Catnip, Doctor, Hoppy, Hopscotch, Bubba Fins, Piggy Piggy, Crafticorn, and Bobby Bear Hugger Dean here. Okay, let me just go. Joy! Is that Joy? Sadness? Oh my god, no! Okay, whatever. Oh, they killed it! No! What happened to me? No! What is wrong with my avatar? Sorry guys, I gotta go. Hey, don't leave the game yet. You can't get... Okay, whatever. I'm not leaving the game. Thank you. Stop! No, thank you. I said no. I'm leaving anyways. My avatar sucks. Sorry. Okay, fine. Just wear this shirt, I guess. And then the pants. Those pants. Maybe this. Yeah, this. This good. Let's go. Yeah, I got many accessories. Now the ta-da! Isn't it cute? Yeah. Kitty, stop. Let's play it again. Oh my god! Can you stop? Kitty, please. Welcome to Survival Inside Out 2 Killers. Only Inside Out? Who is this guy? What's that? Sadness! Yeah, Nuke. Yeah. I'm nuking her. Wow. Where do you get that? Oh. Magic Rocket. What's the job? Ooh, I'm gonna be her. Yeah, let's use on this. Well, that is not a speedy. Sorry, discuss. Oh no! No! I thought you did. Please, don't do this to me. That was close. Psych. Oh. Look what they're trying to do. This girl, help me out here. No, they're too fast. I'm not. Oh no! Psych! Why are you laughing like that? Psych can't kill me. Someone's gonna get. Oh, I don't know. Dead. You can't kill me. I'm on the circus. I'm my biggest butter. Can you stop? Okay, what do y'all have here? You mean anything? No one can even get that. I just need to make her go in a circle. No! Fine. She's stuck there forever! Okay, I need to help these guys. No. She's gonna chase me. Where's Joy? Why, guys? Why you? Okay, let me go. Bro, what kind of code is this, guys? Maybe you know the code. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This. Oh, hi! I'm a butterfly that can fly. This. Why did no one tell me she's here? Sarah got it! I'm still fire. Guys, should I actually go in this? Guys, I'm doing it. Yes! Did it! Easy. Easy. Let me squeeze. Where's this guy? Guess where the cars are? What? What are those? What are those? Maybe in another map. Maybe. All right now. Please open up. Please, I need it right now. I need the car right now. I need the car right now. Okay. I'm right here. Why sadness? I can jump higher. Look how I can jump only. Hello? Wait, what? Oh! Oh my god. Hey, I know how to drive a car, I guess. Oh! Ah, I got stuck, guys. I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. No, guys. Ow! No, please. What's wrong? No! Sorry. My computer just turned on. Oh my god, why that warning? No, thank you. Oh, bad cat. Bad cat. Where's I play the bad cat? Oh, yeah. I should play as Himalayan cat. That's VIP only. Then what is not VIP? Wait, cat? Everything is VIP. That means I can't be a cat. Oh! What is that? Bye! Okay, bye. Oh, she left!
Oh, kibble everywhere.
I don't care! I'm destroying your art as well. Oh, I'm only level 1.
My painting chair.
What is this dance? Oh, level 3. At least I can destroy that. Bye-bye, painting.
I worked hard on that.
I don't care. No.
Now where will my model sit?
We don't care where's your model sit.
Don't make a mess. Stop it!
No. Then come home if you want to.
Careful with your bow.
Oh, I need.
My cola. That's your TV beanbag.
I'm gonna be level 4. Stop with the.
Where will I watch TV?
Stop with the dance. Yes, finally.
Is nothing safe from you?
Ah! Level 5. Stop with the dance. Oh, finally, I can destroy the whole. Bzz. Bzz.
Fire!
I know, now I'm on fire, right? No? How come? I just need a little bit more level. Then I can go outside!
Why?
Cause I can destroy TV! A little bit. Yep.
Not my fridge.
Oh my god, guys. Everything just got destroyed. By me. I'm a genius cat.
Oh, call out lover.
Psych.
I sink into despair. I had no idea.
The house is literally on fire. I have to get out of here, but nah, I won't. Level almost 7. Let me dance. I don't want to dance like that. I know. Buzz, 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 buzz.
I need my music.
That's what you get for turning off my cats. For not having a cat, that's what you get. That's your fault for having bad cats. It's your fault.
I got that for you.
So, the kibble was expensive. I don't care
That
about
was
the
my favorite
kibble.
lamp.
No one cares about us. The lamp.
Don't make me go to IKEA again.
Yes! I will make you go to IKEA, right, guys? Let me get that away.
I bought that on my trip to China.
At least I can destroy this. What is that? I hate flamingos.
Don't
Yes.
taunt flamingo.
Did it just say? Ow.
My flowers. My favorite place to relax.
Bro! Jeez. I'm almost on level 10.
Oh, don't scatter compost everywhere.
Oh, whatever. I'm gonna do whatever I can.
My stinky old beanbag.
Ew, Stinky! Okay.
My cactus.
We don't care about a cactus here. I need to be level 9 to destroy that thing. What about the tree? Also? Please let me destroy that. Grass, the grass. Oh, come on. Just like. Oh,
Now
yes.
they're all wet again.
That's what you get for having bad cats. Level up. Let me destroy that cat. We don't need that. I'ma destroy the tree. Yo.
My dad planted that tree.
We don't care about it. Here. Ah!
About boom.
That's what you get for having bad cats. One hit and I'm done. Yas. VIP area. Oh my god, I can't buy a VIP. I'm broke. I have no Robux. Let me destroy the slide. Okay. Until I destroy the slide. Whee! Whoa.
I built that with my new friends.
New friends? What's that? No one cares about that. Because I'm at level up to level 10. Whee. Now I can destroy these. Santa Claus? I want that love cat. I want to see the cat. No, I want the cat. I want the... Oh, thank you. Oh, that's for free? Oh my god, I want the... Oh, these cats are for free. I never noticed it. Maybe this kitty cat. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I'm a girl. Get out. I can destroy the pool. Yes.
Why did I even have one?
See ya. Our grass is mower, baby. I can finally escape. I can finally escape. Let me get those cars. Do I have to destroy the whole world? Seriously, I'm gonna be apartments. Someone owned the cars. I leveled up to 11. Let's cut. Buy cars. We don't need you. Yeah. I can't destroy that. Bye, Mousy. Who's in there? Oh, no one's in there. I know there's a VIP. Oh, someone's unlucky. Bye-bye, closet. Bye-bye, everything. Bro, stop with the dance. Stop the cap. Everyone's gonna be seen. Oh no, my apartment is broken. I hope there's a grandma gonna be living in this apartment the whole time. Her TV's broken. Her couches are broken. Yeah, the whole thing is broken. The whole apartment. Let me just try that. And it! And my owner's gonna go to jail because she wasn't watching us. I'm gonna make her go to IKEA and buy everyone's stuff like for $1 trillion billion.
You destroy everything and the kitchen sink.
Wait, that's yours? That's literally your apartment? Oh, bro, you have a big house.
More bad luck for you.
No, it's for you. Because the owners are gonna come to this house. Oh, no. Let me go to the backyard. Oh, the car.
The mouse recovered fully after a bit of therapy.
Yeah, because of you. I'm just trying to kids' playground. You're gonna get in trouble, owner.
Castle Crasher!
I don't care about a Castle Crasher. I'm the queen. Wow! Don't you dare go further. I will until I break everything. Meow, meow. Yes! I love exploding. For one hit? Yes! I just showed
Look
the
at the children.
so. Children will be fine. Oh, but you won't be fine because I'm gonna go to the biggest apartment. Oh, I forgot to just destroy that opener, but it's okay. Yes. Why is the car up here?
How can you be this strong?
Bro. I'm level 13. You're like 1. Whee! Yo, 1 hit. I literally just landed in that.
Could you smash such a masterpiece?
Bro, this is not a masterpiece. Get out of here, tree. Get out of my way. Can go. Wait, I can run. Wait, I'm in the market. Oh!
Welcome.
Bye-bye, tree.
Make like a tree and leave.
I can't go there. Oh, this is a marketplace, I guess.
I'm going bananas. Oh,
What do you mean you're going bananas?
making jam.
Bye-bye, pineapple. Bye-bye, noob.
Support your local farmers.
I don't care about farmers.
Headed from Pattaya.
I literally destroyed the whole market. Skibbity toilet! Bye-bye, noob. There's no one wanted you. This is gonna take a while.
Buy local, buy fresh.
But I'm an evil cat. No. Who cares about balloons? Okay, sorry. I was just distracted by my cats. Bye-bye, toilets.
Sure.
Who's that? What? No one's in there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Ew.
Oh, this. Ew, am I touching whatever I think it is? Ew. Yes. I will. Until I have time. I'm an evil cat. I can do whatever I want.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's like he's about to, whatever he is gonna, like pee,
Time to explode, I guess.
like pee. Oh my god, you're all dead. Bye-bye fireworks that I never wanted. Bye. It's a farmer time. First, this thing. Bye. Can't even destroy that. I can destroy in there. I can't destroy destroy that. Then we'll destroy these stuff. I'm really strong. Here, I'll destroy that later. Get out of my way, sir. Yeah.
Trees are easy for strong kitties.
It's school.
Recess will be boring now.
So, they could just play tag and that's it. I'm just trying to bikes. But no one will
You
play.
can bend metal.
Yes! I can. I guess I can. What is this bike? It's school time. For the lockers. Wow, I'm really powerful! Oh.
You found someone's lunch.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I just heard the...
Nice to meet you.
It's a yellow banana. What would you think? Oh, hi. I'm destroy that. Destroy that. Bye, toilet.
Constipation.
My game. I just can destroy the windows. That's cool. You're gonna be sicker. Well, you're allergic to cats. Sorry, Doc. Or he's like, bro, who cares? And it's gonna be glass time. First thing at the windows and the lockers. Sorry, I missed. What?
Hayes reported missing. Glad you found him.
Oh yeah? I'm not a hero. I'm a villain. I'm gonna destroy everything. In this school here.
Leave Ducky alone.
Bye-bye, Ducky.
School Ducky in the room.
Why dogs are better than cats? How dare you!
He was playing good dog.
Ugh. Get out of here!
Information.
Dogs are not better than cats. Cats are. We're powerful than you people. I'm gonna destroy your desk as well. Chair as well. Stop with the oofing. Now. People will never sit in class because it's my rule. They're gonna stand or sit on the, you know. Bye. I didn't know I was powerful at. Get out, computer!
Don't break expensive stuff.
Bro.
Yay.
Get out! You literally dropped on me! Yeah. Nya, nya. Do you think so? No, I know I'm 6. I'll go there. I'm in school down fairground. Don't I will until I break the school rules.
You helped him get unstuck.
You think so? Get out of here.
Only he could actually play.
So? Who cares about them? I think I'm gonna level up to level 20. It's gonna take a long time. Oh! Hello! Hey, please don't kill me, please! Hey! Oof.
That'll
This.
teach him.
What are you talking about? Remember the glass. Glass. I also forgot it downstairs. Breaking the school rules. The school rules, the first rule is no pets, no destroying stuff, and no playing around. Yeah, and I'm breaking that. I'm playing around here.
Sad trombone.
Get out of here! Get out of here. He broke all the glasses. My time to Did I
So
just?
dark.
I literally just broke this plates. Yes. No, I can't destroy that. I can destroy the clock.
So long, Doc.
It's an anime reference.
No more lights in my school. It's my school now. No more rules. Only cats rule. Cat rule! Sorry about that, but not sorry. I'm still in school. Forgot. Cats are better than dogs. Right, guys? Yeah. They are better. Dogs are better. Oh. I have to go to the... Oh, guys, maybe next time when I finish.
Bored student terminated. Overeager student terminated. All he knew was how to use VLC.
Guys, what is this? What did I do? Get out! I'm gonna pop you. He went in the sky. Look. Lana's, guys. Are you kidding me?
Did you look at the screen?
Yeah, I did. That was your fault. Miss Wobbles. Oh, that was Miss... That'll teach you. I broke everything. Like, I mean everything. Desk. Come on. Broke it as well. Let's move on. No more flowers. The school bus! Absolutely! I forgot about that. Yo!
They get to school now.
They can walk with their own feet. Guys, I think that's it for today. See you guys. Bye.